Hello everyone, welcome back to Financial Hub. Today I'm going to guide you on how to create your Bybit account. Bybit is a cryptocurrency trading platform that allows users to trade various cryptocurrencies. Make sure that you already have the application on your phone. As I already have the application, let's hop in. Here you can see the option sign up/login. Tap over there. Here you can see that you can either log in from your email, your mobile number, or you can go with your Google or your Apple ID if you are an Apple user. So here I am signing up with my Google account. After signing up with Google, you need to tap on the option continue. Now Bybit will send you a mail to verify your account. So go in your mail and check the mail sent by Bybit account. This is the mail you will be getting from Bybit account. Now you have successfully created your Bybit account. I hope this video helped. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Financial Hub. Thank you.